Hello everybody and welcome. So today I will be showing you two of the most famous websites that are used for font. So you can use them in your CSS and in your web page designing, and you can use them in other uses also. So the first one is Google Fonts. So it is extremely popular and it's free. So you can use any font which you like. You can search them by categories or you can sort them by trending popular, okay, whatever you want. And suppose I like Roboto, so I'll just, you can even type it here to see the live action. Or and once you like it, so you can just click on the plus sign to get the link, okay. Now you can just embed it. If you want to embed it, you can embed it, or you can just copy this, or you can also use the import one also. And once it is done, so you can in the CSS file just copy it and just paste it on the file. And if you want to customize it further, suppose you want the bold one also, or you want the language different, so you can select this also. And here you will see the load time, whether it is quick to load or slow. So now it has become slow. If I remove all of them, it will become very fast, okay. You can download them also, or you can just copy the link and it will work, okay. And there are lots of options here. You can just visit it out to see what else you can do with them. And the next one is, it's called Font Awesome. So it is also free to some extent. So you will get around 1500 free icons, and so you will be getting some vector icons and social logos which you want to use in your website, so you can use them. So let me click on start using free. So here is the customization option that is available: solid, regular, brands, SVG, okay, and web font. And you can just click on icons to get, so these are the icons that you can use. There are loads of icons and loads of options or categories available, so you can use any of them. Suppose if I'm clicking on this icon, add icon, so once you click on this add icon, you can see a lots of options are there. Suppose the size option is there and how you want to fill it, okay. So if you want to use this icon, suppose I'm selecting add solid icon, so just click on the stat and just copy it, okay. Copy this in your HTML file, so it will load it. Alright, so these are the two most popular places where you can get fonts. So do try them out and at least visit them. So it will be really nice. So you can add a lot of features and variety to your website. So if you found this informative, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching it.